How to set up your remote access key in WHM. This demo assumes you've already logged in to WebHost Manager, WHM. Now let's learn how to set up a remote access key. A remote access key is what's needed if you want to have a script automatically connect to your WHM for the purposes of creating new accounts, deleting accounts, etc. Click Set up Remote Access Key. The remote access key is a random series of alphanumeric characters. If you copy this key and paste it into a script that's designed to connect to WHM, you'll be able to have that script perform tasks that you would normally have to log in to WHM to do. You may need to reset your remote access key when setting up a new script. Let's do that now. Scroll down a little. Click the Generate New Key button. That's it. The remote access key has been reset and is shown here at the bottom. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to set up your remote access key and where to go to retrieve it for use in scripts that connect to WHM.